Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening or good afternoon, wherever you are watching from this video. This is Peter from Sun Insurance and Logistics. Come bringing you another video today. Today, if you are watching this video for your first time, please do consider to subscribe after watching our content. And for those returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting this channel and continue sharing our content. And I sincerely thank you. So today, at these difficult times of the trucking business, I want to bring these videos to help those owner operators who are out there who are struggling, because the rates all over, if you look at this map, the United States map, everywhere from West Coast to East Coast, North to South Texas, it's very hard to find shipments. I don't know what's happening with the brokers and the customers. Nobody's finding loads which pays well. So what we usually do is, look around and see if there's a way we can come up with suggestions to help this industry continue growing. I know I do insurance, and I've had most of my clients, they complaining that expensive for the monthly premiums. They are not getting loads, but they keep on paying insurance every month. If you don't pay, then you risk your insurance being cancelled and your DOT being deactivated. So I've been doing a little research with the experience I have in the insurance industry, and that's why I'm making this video, to give you suggestions which can help you to save some money. If you save a buck or two, that helps than nothing. So today, I'm specifically talking about the way you can, how you can downgrade your commercial insurance without necessarily affecting your DOT. So what I mean here is you don't have to have 1 million combined single limit liability insurance to keep your DOT active. You can downgrade from 1 million to 750. That's the minimum which DOT require you to carry in order to keep your DOT active. I'm very sure most of you do not know they have insurance, and if you don't consult your insurance agents, or if you bought your insurance directly from the carrier, like Progressive, like any other carriers out there, so you may not know. But the truth of the matter is, you don't have to carry 1 million. When you carry 1 million, it's very expensive, paying anywhere between $900 to $1,500 if you have a box truck or if you have a semi. Those ones who are out there, it's very expensive. Even a cargo van, a Sprinter van, is about anywhere from $350 to $500 or $600, depending on your driving record. But why I'm doing this video today, I want to assure you and tell you there is a way you can downgrade your insurance. You can downgrade it temporarily until the rates, come back to normal, and then you can consult your insurance agent or carrier and tell them to upgrade them. So the first thing, if you have 1 million, consider to downgrade it to 750 combined single limit liability, and you might be saving a lot of money if you downgrade it for 2 months until the rates come back to normal. That's money you are saving right there. Um, I know most brokers, they might not give you loads, but you have to be looking for those brokers who, they can give you loads even if it's 750, so long as you comply with DOT. I know some of them, they ask up to 2 million, but if you can work with somebody who can tolerate 750 and they pay you for your services, I don't see the reason why you should not go for it, because their main goal is to save a buck or two. And also talk to your insurance agent. If you don't have one and you like to sign up, find an insurance agent within your local area who is specialized in insurance, who's a professional, so they can advise you on how to cut costs, and especially at these economic times. So what you might need to do is there are some of the coverages which you really don't need at this time. So those are the things they can slice down to. You can still carry loads, you can cover loads, but you don't really need to have that high limits. And discuss with them, and discuss some of the things which you need to delete from your policy. For example, if you have been having a bunch of brokers added to your insurance as additional insured, um, not certificate holder, but additional insured, because other insurance carriers, when you add as additional insured, they charge you a fee. I know Progressive, they charge $20 for each additional you add, up to around 9, and then from there is free. So everything counts. So those brokers you added as additional insured, go revisit, and if you are not working with them, they can be deleted, and you don't have to pay for that fee without using them. And consider changing your vehicle value. If you bought a vehicle 2 years ago and it's having the same value, it doesn't make sense, because there's a depreciation. So vehicle depreciates, houses, they appreciate, vehicles depreciates as you keep driving, the mileage is going. So you might want to talk to your insurance agent, because the correlation, if your vehicle is valued at a very high price, then the insurance premium, they go up. So you may need to discuss with your insurance agent, and they may help you to slice down and come up with a value which is not too low and not too high, so to help you with the monthly premiums. Also look at the coverages, like if you had the deductibles, for example, the collision and the comprehensive. If you have 1,000 deductibles, it's okay to move to 1,500, or you move to 2,500 for the purpose of slicing the monthly premiums, so lowering them to to an affordable budget. And also the cargo insurance. Most cargo insurance, most customers which are covered, the minimum requirement is 100,000. You can have a deductible of $1,000 and 2,500. So you don't have to have 1,000. You can do 2,500, and to change even $1 or $2, it makes a difference. So that's something you need to look at. And if you don't need to have a 200 50 cargo insurance, you have to stay with 100,000, depending on the brokers you work with. So if they suggest you don't need that, and don't have it, because you will be paying a lot of premium, high premiums for nothing. And also, there are some people who are affected with their driving licenses. By the time they bought insurance, the driving license had points on it. So what you need to know is these points, they last for some few years, and as the clock is ticking, it expires at a certain point. So you have to check with your insurance agent if it was 3 years, and if it goes back to 3 years and now the 3 years are up, or four years are up, they need to take it off your record so that the insurance premium can go lower. And that's something which you need to remind, which might anything which might help bring the premiums down. That's what I wanted to point out. And don't forget, if you had a speeding ticket, you had an accident, you made a claim of $1,000, and your insurance premiums are going up, that's something you need to remember, so it can be taken off your record. And for those people who hire drivers, I've seen a lot of activities on your, for example, going on. Some customers, they forget to, when they fire some of the drivers, they forget to inform their insurance carriers or insurance agents that the driver don't work with them no more. And if you don't tell your insurance agent that you fired a driver and he's not working with you no more, they will not remember to remove him or her from the policy. And if he had a bad record, still you'll be paying those premiums, and you'll be wondering why your premiums are still, expensive, and the driver is not with you, and you either fired them or let them go for some reasons. The point I'm trying to make here is you always double check with the insurance, double check with your insurance agents, revisit every time and see where you are, discuss with them what can we do if the premiums are too high and we don't get work. That's another thing you need to discuss. And one last thing, very important. If you want to, let's say you had a driver and you had problems with them, or they have gone on vacation, and the one truck, you are not driving the truck, you just wanted to park it somewhere. But because you want to maintain your DOT, you would have to maintain a 750 combined single limit insurance in order for your DOT to be active. If you go below that, it will be deactivated. And if you forget to inform your insurance, because if you have filings on your policy, it's 30 days. You have to wait. But if you go to DOT website and voluntarily surrender or deactivate your DOT, then the insurance will cancel your insurance on the day they see it on the DOT website, when you have been authorized not to operate officially from the DOT guys. And but if you forget and say, I'm going to park my truck, and then you think they are going to cancel your insurance, they might not cancel, you might bill you and then send you a final bill which you are not aware. So these are the little tips about the insurance. Let me know if you have a question. And as I always say, I am a professional and I'm licensed in Georgia. Wisconsin, Illinois, and Delaware. I have a lot of clients over there. I'm getting referrals, and if you know anybody there looking for insurance and looking for consultation, please do have call me. The number to call is 608 That's my office number, and I should be able to give you a quote with no obligations to buy. So that's it, guys, and thanks for listening. I hope these tips helps you to cut down your budget, and hopefully the rates will come back soon. But keep sharing this video if you find it, helpful. Keep subscribing, keep sharing, and let me know what you think below this video. And thank you for listening. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.